In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the due date for an open task in your task management software. This skill can be incredibly useful for both personal and professional project management. Whether you're juggling multiple assignments or simply adjusting timelines to better fit your schedule, understanding how to efficiently manage due dates can make a big difference in your productivity. First, let's make our way to the task itself. Locate the task management application on your device and log in if necessary. Once you're inside, you'll want to navigate to the list or project where your open task is stored. Remember, a well-organized task list can save you a lot of time, making it easier to find what you're looking for quickly. With the open task in view, the next step is to focus on the due date field. This area acts as the central hub for managing your task's timeline. Click on the due date field to open up any available options. You might see a calendar interface or a simple date field depending on the software you're using. This is your opportunity to assess and decide on a new deadline for completing the task. Selecting a new date is simple. Locate the desired day on the calendar and click on it. Some platforms may offer additional details like setting specific times or reminders. Feel free to explore these options if they are available to you. While selecting your new due date, take a moment to consider the overall flow and dependencies of your project to ensure choosing a date that supports your own schedule as well as the needs of your team. Once you've selected the appropriate date, it's time to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button on the screen. Clicking this ensures that your changes don't just disappear into the digital ether. It's a small step, but an essential one to make sure your task management tool reflects your new timeline accurately. And there you have it. The due date for your open task is now updated. It might seem like a small adjustment, but handling these updates effectively can bring about significant improvements in how you manage your workload. Each task gets the attention it deserves, and you avoid any last-minute rushes that often accompany poor planning. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps streamline your task management process. Feel free to revisit this guide